Good morning. Thanks for joining me. Today we're building an overhead shooting pan and tilt reel. That's a mouthful. Imagine you want to demonstrate how to tie a hook. You could do it with the camera facing forwards, but sometimes it's useful to have an overhead camera. The mount for overhead stuff is either silly expensive or it takes too long to come when you want to get on and just shoot the project. So I decided to make one. I bent the rules slightly and bought an item. I know this isn't under the ethos of make more for less, but I guess it is in a way. Anyway, what did I buy? I bought a clothes reel from Argos. I had a pan and tilt mechanism from eBay, and I had my Insta360 Go 3 camera from last year's projects. The subject I chose to point the camera at was a set of darts. What, you say? Another new hobby? Well, my neighbour has rekindled my love of darts. Today, the day before my second cataract operation, I can't see well enough to throw darts. But tomorrow will soon come and I'll be back in the swing of things. Pardon the pun. So let's have a look at this overhead shooting reel. Oh yes, it also utilises my coffee table, which is a resin river and some oak wood. But that's just a backdrop. It's not the subject of this particular video, although I have made a video elsewhere on my channel, should you choose to check it out. Let's have a look at the rail, the pan and tilt mechanism, the camera, and some shots from the Insta360 Go 3 from the rail. Here we go.